We're getting in breaking news about the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was welcomed with black flags in Patna. The Chief Minister, who was on a day-long visit, was greeted at the airport with protesters waving black flags. These protesters claim that they're Anna Hazare supporters. Now, reportedly, there was also a minor clash between Anna and Kejriwal supporters at the airport as well. Rohit Singh, our correspondent, joins us live for more on this. So, Rohit, what was the scuffle all about? Who were these protesters waving black flags?
Well, Avantika, 8:50 is when Arvind Kejriwal arrived at Patna airport from Delhi, and he's scheduled to attend an event here that has been organized by the Bihar government. It's a good governance event that is taking place at 10:30 where I'm standing right now. And while he was coming out of the airport, there were at least 40 to 50 Aam Aadmi Party supporters who were shouting slogans in favor of Arvind Kejriwal. And suddenly when Arvind Kejriwal was coming out of the airport, there were 5 to 6 Anna supporters who came from somewhere, and they started showing black flags to Arvind Kejriwal. And in fact, in the vehicle in which Arvind Kejriwal was sitting, KC Tyagi of the JDU was also there, Raghav Chopra of the Aam Aadmi Party were also there. And while these Anna supporters were showing black flags, they were shouting slogans also that Arvind Kejriwal has betrayed Anna Hazare and used him for his political gains. And after that, the police also had to catch them, nab them. In fact, they had 5 to 6 of them have been detained also, and minor clashes also took place between the Aam Aadmi Party supporters as well and Anna supporters. And I have with me some Aam Aadmi supporters here who were there present at the airport. ये बताइए, आप लोग सुबह से आम आदमी पार्टी के फेवर में नारे लगा रहे थे, ये अन्ना सपोर्टर्स कहाँ से आ गए, ये हाथापाई कैसे हुई?
ये टीईटी के जैसा कि पेपर में पहले से ही आ रहा था कि टीईटी वाले हैं और ये विरोध करेंगे केजरीवाल जी का। इसके केजरीवाल जी के विरोध करने से टीईटी का कोई संबंध नहीं है। अब वो किसी भी रूप में समर्थक नहीं है अन्ना के।
वो कह रहे थे कि धोखा दिया है अन्ना सपोर्टर, जो तो काले झंडे दिखाए थे उन लोगों ने।
ये भ्रांति फैलाई जा रही है। अन्ना और अरविंद जी ऐसी जोड़ी है जो कभी ना टूटी है। आपने कभी पेपर में देखा है अन्ना जी को अरविंद जी के ये अगेंस्ट में? कभी नहीं। वो उन्हीं की उपज है, इसलिए वो जानते हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल का भविष्य क्या है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जो है वो एक भ्रष्टाचार के अगेंस्ट में जो हमारा तंत्र है उसको वो समाप्त करने के लिए ही आए हैं, और हमारा क्रांति जो है उसी रूप में है और हम भी उसी के समर्थक हैं।
Well, Avantika, so that's the reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party supporter, but obviously not a good start to Arvind Kejriwal's a day visit to Patna, where he was shown black flags by Anna Hazare supporters here.
Stay with me, Rohit. The Chief Minister is visiting Patna today ahead of the upcoming Bihar elections. It's a crucial visit. Kejriwal will be speaking at a Bihar government program on good governance. In fact, the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, who was the chief guest at Delhi government's cultural program last week, had invited the Delhi CM to come and speak in Patna. Kejriwal's visit is expected to bring the two parties, AAP and JDU, even closer to fight against the BJP in the upcoming assembly polls.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बल्कि अरविंद कुमार के मुंह पर कालिख लगेगी। इनका जो साफ सुथरा अभी तक भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में जो अपने कहते हैं कि हमारा साफ सुथरा चेहरा है, तो जब आप जाइएगा कोई आदमी जो है गंदा कपड़ा पहने रहेगा कीचड़ वाला और उसके साथ में जाकर के गला मिलिएगा तो आपका कपड़ा गंदा होगा कि नहीं होगा? तो वहाँ तो नीतीश कुमार को कोई फायदा मिलने वाला है नहीं, लेकिन इनको तो बहुत बड़ा घाटा लगेगा।
नीतीश कुमार जी से उनका क्या एडजस्टमेंट है? न नीतीश कुमार जी ने भी खुल के बात कही है, न केजरीवाल साहब ने खुल के बात कही है। वो जा रहे हैं, किन कारणों से जा रहे हैं, क्या जा रहे हैं, ये हम लोगों को कोई जानकारी नहीं है। लेकिन ये केजरीवाल साहब का और नीतीश जी का व्यक्तिगत मामला हो सकता है। दिल्ली में तो केजरीवाल साहब कंप्लीट फेल्योर है।
Now, Rohit, many eyebrows have been raised over the growing bonhomie between, Arvind Kejriwal and Nitish Kumar. But what does one make of this visit by the Delhi Chief Minister in the state, which is going for those very crucial elections soon?
Well, Avantika, let me tell you, Nitish Kumar is very desperate at this point of time, seeking re-elections for the third time, and he's doing everything possible to be re-elected, and that is why he wants to do what Kejriwal has done in Delhi to the BJP, and that is why in the last 2 to 3 months we are seeing that there is growing camaraderie between Arvind Kejriwal and Nitish Kumar. In fact, Nitish Kumar has been to Delhi 4 or 5 times, and he has met Arvind Kejriwal personally, and in fact last week also Arvind Kejriwal Kejriwal invited Nitish Kumar at an event and felicitated him. And at that event, in fact, Nitish Kumar invited Arvind Kejriwal to come to Patna today to attend a good governance event here. So there is a growing camaraderie between Arvind Kejriwal, and obviously intentions are very clear. Nitish Kumar wants to use Arvind Kejriwal as a mascot for good governance, and if in Bihar Arvind Kejriwal is standing with Nitish Kumar, supporting him, obviously that will give a good message to the people here in the state. So that is why Arvind Kejriwal is being used here. But the question remains that will Arvind Kejriwal campaign for this grand alliance in which there is Lalu Prasad Yadav, there is the Congress, to which in fact Lalu is always averse to Arvind Kejriwal, Congress has always been averse to Arvind Kejriwal. So that's the million-dollar question, that will Arvind Kejriwal campaign for this grand alliance in the upcoming elections?
Absolutely, Rohit. Thank you so much for joining us and getting us the very latest. So Arvind Kejriwal, who has already arrived in Patna, did not really get the welcome that probably he was expecting. There were black flags that were waved by Anna Hazare supporters.